I'm going to stop all the presentations if this continues and stop complete screen sharing in classes. Let me see. Disable, wait. I really do not want anybody to share screen if this is going to happen any further. Okay, this is a class and I want it to be very, very focused. Okay, coming back to the Pythagorean theorem, right? So not just this, see, we just talked about 3, 4 and 5, right? Now the Pythagorean theorem can be multiples of this. 6. Arihan, can you tell me what other numbers can go here? It can be proportional multiples of this. So Arihan, do you want to say what can come here?
Can't hear you.
What can come here? What numbers can come here, Arihan?
8,
If this side is 6, this side is 8, this side is what?
10.
10. Good. If this
Oh.
side is 15, what is this side?
9, and then the other side is 12.
Yep. Make sense? Can I go ahead?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So the sides of the right triangle can be multiples of that. So with the basic Pythagorean theorems are 3, 4, 5. The minimum ones are 3, 4 and 5. It's not that you can go far from there. 5 with 5 you can make up 5, 12, 13 are all known Pythagorean triplets. 7, 24, 25. These are all called Pythagorean triplets. Why they are Pythagorean triplets? Anybody?
Because they all like followed the rule of the Pythagorean theorem, and then
There's
there are
3.
3.
So when you look at their largest side, right? When you look at their largest side, the square of that, let's call it as C. The square of that will be equal to the sum of the squares of their legs. Will be equal to the sum of the squares of their legs. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So 49 plus 24 squared somehow equals 25 squared?
Yes. So 7 square plus 24 square equal to 25 square. Make sense?
I don't get how 7, 24, and 25 is Pythagorean triplets.
No, it's because 7 squared is 49 and
Seema,
24
yeah.
squared is 5.
Yeah. Why don't we explain that? 25 square is what? 625, right? 24 square. Who can tell me 24 square?
570.
570.
Yeah, 576. 7 square is a 49.
49.
When you add these two, you get a 625. So 20 a square legs, the square of the legs are 24 square and 7 square. The sum of the squares of the legs will be equal to the longest side hypotenuse square. Make sense?
Yeah.
So those are common Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Now guys, suppose let me do a couple of problems and then I'll see. Let's see. Let me do a couple of problems and then I'll ask you. Okay. Let's say. Okay. How about this? No, not really. Hold on. Okay. How about this? You all know basic Pythagorean theorem, I feel. Let's see. Okay. Okay. How about this? These are all hard ones. I don't want the hard ones. Let's see the easy ones first. Okay, how about this? You're going to try this first. Directly, I've jumped into application. So, who would like to explain this?
Can
the
I?
figure.
Can
The
I?
figure. Go ahead. Yeah, one of you go ahead, ma. So, one of you go ahead.
You can go.
Vian or Aradhya, you decide.
You can go, okay.
You can go, it's fine.
Okay, I can go. So, what I would do in this would be, it said,
1 second, guys. 1 second. Dat, Charan, Arhan. What is going on? Why you keep logging into multiple machines, first of all?
I'm looking at the problem.
Huh?
I'm solving the problem.
But why are you logged into two machines now? That is logged into two machines.
I
I
am?
keep on getting requests from the start of the class. I was just keeping quiet just
Wait,
because I
really?
didn't want to annoy anybody.
Right. Wait, how?
Why is that you're logging into two machines now?
I'm on my iPad.
Yeah, but there is one another login that's coming in. Who's that?
Really?
Yes.
Hmm?
I want you to log in only from one machine. I have to talk to both of your parents at the end of the class. Go ahead. Go ahead. A ladder leans against a vertical wall. I cannot let multiple logins come in. Okay, and you keep on bugging with logins. Why is it?
So a ladder leans against a vertical wall.
Yep.
This is a ladder.
Uh-huh.
Ladder, and then the foot of the ladder from the wall is 9. I mean, the foot of the ladder is 9 feet from the wall. So wait, second. So a ladder.
Nice one.
Yeah. So shoot. Wait. Yeah. So then the ladder reaches a point 3 feet below the top of the 15-foot wall. So I'm thinking of this. Wait. Foot of the ladder is 9 feet from.
Mm-hmm.
So this we have to figure out what it is.
Mm-hmm.
This C. The ladder reaches up 3.
So this is your ladder, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then what? The
Then
foot of the ladder is 9 feet from the wall. So which is 9?
it is 9 foot
Mm.
from the wall. Which this 9 foot.
Yeah.
Oh wait, who's Giga Nina?
Oh my god, who are these people?
Oh
Okay, who are these people?
No.
Yeah, what is happening?
What's going on?
Oh my god.
This is none of us.
Yeah, this isn't any of us. These are random people.
Who is Giga Nigga?
Oh my god.
Wait, what?
What's Giga Giga?
Oh.
Giga Nigga. Who's that?
I'm just gonna hide them real quick.
Maybe don't say their name.
They don't say their name, guys.
Yeah, they don't. You like
don't
report them?
Just call them GN. Just call them GN.
What?
Yeah. Wait, where did
Where
it
did
go?
Miss Priya go?
Wait,
She's
what?
right here. Wait, she's right here. She's muted.
Okay.
But what happened though? Like, how can someone just log on and do
What's happening? Someone found our password in our
How
code.
did you figure out
That's
the password?
Typing. Like it's kind of like stream sniping.
Oh dang!
Like password guessing.
Sniping. Call sniping.
Password guessing. I'm guessing a password guess or like something happened or someone found out.
Miss Priya, you're on mute.
Yeah. The person won't come in. Go ahead. A ladder leans against a vertical wall. The foot of the ladder is 8 feet from the wall.
So this is Wait, 8 feet. It says 9 feet.
Yeah, it says 9 feet.
Okay, 9 feet from the wall.
So this is the ladder, and we have to find out what this is. And then I think the ladder reaches at 3 feet below the top of the 15-foot wall. So this is the 15-foot wall, and it's saying the ladder reaches a 0.3 feet below
So 12 feet.
the wall. I mean the top of the 15. So the ladder.
How does that work?
No,
How
so
does that work?
the ladder reaches this much, 3 feet below this top.
It's not 3 feet. It's 0.3 feet, which means it's 3/10 of a feet.
0.3 feet, yeah.
Okay, so the
No,
ladder
it's like the ladder reaches
the
a
ladder is 9
point
feet from the
3
wall.
feet
The ladder
below.
reaches a point 3 feet below
So
the top of a 15 feet wall. Go ahead.
So it, yeah.
So which is 15 feet? There is a problem there. Still
The
not yet
whole
ironed out.
wall length is 15 feet. So
Okay. So what happens? The wall length is 15 feet. Let's try to iron that out, guys.
all of this is 15.
Yeah. All of this is 15.
So then that still works because this is the triangle.
That is 15. Then what is that 3 feet below the top of the 15 feet wall?
So then that's 14.7
12.
or something.
Yeah, I thought it was 12 because like it's
15
below the
minus
wall.
3 is 12.
Yeah. Because it's not like actually 0.3. It's
So
up
which is that 15 minus 3?
12. So it's
Yeah,
12.
so
15 minus 3. Wait, so wouldn't so use the Pythagorean theorem? So like
So it would
wouldn't
be
like
So where is it, Vian and Sakit? Where is it then? What is that? Good job, Vian.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Then the extension would be, this would be plus additional 3 feet.
Good job. Let's draw it out. Okay, good. Good. Can I go ahead and draw it out? Now one of
Yeah.
you can explain. Yeah, let's see. This is 12. This is 3. But the ladder reaches this point. So this is 9. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
wait, so
Okay,
is
now.
this kind of like Pythagorean theorem triples? Like, so would that be like from 15 because
Agree. So I really want you guys to find out the length of the ladder and send it to me in chat, please. I really want you to find out the length of the ladders.
Miss Priya, am I right?
Am I right?
Alright.
Ooh,
Am I right? I'm alright.
that was.
Give me a minute.
Yeah, you were right. That is kind of an easy problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is easy.
Gotta
Guys,
put your
one request is don't share class link with others. Okay, this is
Yeah.
private only to you. Okay, that is also causing a problem. So today I have deprived somebody into the class. Okay, so from next week, don't share the class link with anybody else.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. Because the problem is what I'm seeing is that unknown person logs in with the class name, with your classmate's name. So that is my problem. I have to allow them, right? So please don't share the class link with anybody else. Go ahead. Okay, that's good. That's good, Viraj. Saket,
Yeah.
you want to explain Saket? What is that? How did you find it?
So basically, like Vion said, 15 minus 12, and then use the Pythagorean theorem, and then use so that it's a squared plus b squared plus c
Which is a square? Which is a square?
I think it's this.
Which is a square?
9.
Good job. So taking that as A, go ahead, Saket.
So then taking that as A and
Viraj, you have to correct your answer.
taking this as B, we have to find C. So then you just like do these, which means it's 81 plus. So you solve this, right? So it's like 9 squared plus 12 squared. So it's 81 plus 144 equals C squared. Then it's 225. So you just basically add these. You get 225, and then that's your C squared, right? So then you do square roots. This is square root. So the C and the C will equal to 15. And that's how I got 15 feet in length.
Yeah. So C square, the hypotenuse, the longer side square will be equal to 12 square plus 9 square. Those are the leg square, right? Sum of the squares. So basically Pythagorean theorem states that the sum of the squares of the legs will be equal to the square of the hypotenuse. As a result, see guys, what we need to be very clear with is the hypotenuse square. It's not the hypotenuse. As a result, 12 square is 144 plus 81. So when you add them together, it's 225. Guys, the most common mistake that initially when you learn Pythagorean theorem, the most common mistake is you forget and write this as C. No, guys, this is not C, but you have to square root to get the value of C. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
It was pretty simple.
It was pretty simple, yes. I'm going to make it a little harder, guys. Let me see. Then only we'll know where we are, right? Let's see. I'll give you a harder problem. Let's see. Let's see whether you're able to take it. Okay, let's see, guys. Give me a minute. How about this?
Miss Priya,
Oh, yes, ma?
oh, in school, like we're learning 7th and 8th grade teaks. So when we're learning that, I feel 8th grade teaks are easier than 7th grade.
Yeah, that's true though.
Okay, how about this? Please don't discuss answers on this one. I want you to draw the figure by yourself. You can share it to class. You do it and send the answers to me. Are you able to understand?
Yeah, I am.
Whom I wanted to ask is Devansh. Did you understand, Amma?
Where's the geometry class?
Yes.
I don't get it.
Neither do I.
Miss Priya, can you make it a bit bigger?
Wait, Miss Priya? Oh, okay. Oh.
Is my answer correct? Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Is my answer correct?
We are solving harder problems. Draw it in your notebook. And once you draw, your answer may be in radical 2, in radical format.
Wait,
Saket, I don't want you to answer in decimals, okay? I really want radical answers only. If you get answers which are not integers, answer it as radical. Then only I will know that you did.
Wait, radical?
Decimal means everybody can work it out in a calculator. I really do not want you to answer in decimals. I want answers in radicals.
Radicals is like the square root stuff, right?
Yep.
Oh, I got you.
Adya, I don't think it's right, Amma.
Miss Priya, how do I type that how do I type the radical symbol?
You have to wait. That's correct, Ma. That's right, but I want it to be simplified. You don't get it. Okay, no problem. Arihan, is that right? You're making an addition mistake is what I feel, Arihan. Can you check once more, Arihan? Yeah, but that's not simplified, Saket. See, that's why did you use a calculator to find the answer there?
No.
Then how did you find out 189?
I kind of just simplified it.
How will you simplify? Can you show me on the board? How will you simplify the simplified version is 189? Can you show me?
Yeah. Let me find the answer.
Meaning, I don't know how to simplify, honestly. Can you do it on the board and show me?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I will do that.
Meaning, let's go ahead and draw that out. Two towers are 180 meters apart. Two towers are 180 meters apart. Kabir, I didn't get an answer from you. Where?
Did I get right, Miss Priya?
So basically, it's I kind of wrote down a formula from the other day that I used.
Wait,
So
no, Miss Priya, what happened was I was doing it, but then I realized I made like a small multiplication mistake, so I have to redo the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
Miss
Okay.
Priya, did you get it right?
Yeah, ma. Wait, I'm
You have
checking.
to
So
put
180
the
meters
answer
apart.
as like
See, there are people who did not get the diagram. A cable goes from the top of the first to the top of the second. Top of the first to the top of the second, a cable is connected.
Oh, I can explain.
Okay. Now, this is 70 meter. This is 130 meter. Do you see? Top of the
Yeah.
first, the top of the second is, this height is 130. This height is 70, the first tower. Now, if you connect, this becomes a right triangle. Okay, the distance is 180, right? So, this height has to be 60.
Well, I did it different than Miss Priya.
That becomes a right triangle. It's fine, you can wait. Now 180, this is 60. What are they asking? This is the cable, right? They are wanting the cable length.
Oh, I get it now.
But could you
Yeah,
check if I
so the diagram is what is your key. Once you're able to figure out the diagram, then Pythagoras theorem application is easy. Now, Saket, I'm waiting for you to show me
I'm ready.
how this became 189.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Miss Priya, could you check if I got it right?
Yes, sure, Ma. I want your answer in radicals, guys. You all know, I'm assuming, you know.
Yeah, I did mine in radical.
Uh-huh.
What's a radical? Kind of
It's the square root symbol.
Square root symbol. Arihan, not really, ma. You're not adding it correctly, Arihan. That 34,900 seems incorrect, ma.
Could you check?
I got the first part, but then I got last. Okay, no problem. Vian, correct. Good job. Viraj, I will help. Let me go ahead and explain this directly, please. Okay, next time, whoever wants, you can do. Now, coming to this, do you see this is a right triangle, right? This is a right triangle. Right? If this is your right triangle, so the cable length, right, is called what of the right triangle? Cable length is the
Hypotenuse.
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 So cable length square. Can I say cable length square will be equal to 180 square plus 60 square?
Yeah, that's what I did to figure out.
Yeah. And then what is this 180 square plus 60 square? This is 3,600. What is that?
180 squared is 32,400.
Yeah.
32,000. Arihan, here is where I feel like you made the mistake. When you added, right, Arihan? Looked to me that you made a mistake, Arihan. This is 36,000, right? So the cable square is 36,000. So please, cable is what?
Square
Square
root
root
of
of
36,000.
36,000. Saket,
Which
how
is-
did you simplify this to 189.65? Can you tell us?
Seriously,
I
I
just-
can't. I
so-
don't know how to really put the square, the actual.
So,
I'll help you. Wait, I'll help you on that. Go ahead. Saket was able to. Did
Yeah.
you have any way of doing it, Saket?
yeah. So, can I explain? So, essentially, this what is it? 33. Okay, 36000 is essentially just 3600 times 10, right?
Correct, Ma. But then, how did you simplify it to this?
Yeah, I'm explaining. So, and that essentially is just 6. Wait, can I annotate?
Please go ahead.
That is essentially just 10 because I simplify this, and
Yeah, but then.
and then we just realized, okay, so then if you just make this a decimal, you have this.
But square root of 10 is what?
Square root of 10 is like 3.1.
Yeah, but you cannot get this decimal value, right, Saket? That is where I'm saying don't use calculators.
Yeah.
So let me go ahead and show how to simplify the radical here.
like prime factorize it or something.
Yeah, so here,
did.
write out the prime factorization tree. What is the prime factorization? 6 times 6 times 10 times 10 times 10, correct?
Yeah.
Now for every 2 copies of the same number, you can bring out. That is what is reducing, right? Meaning that is what is simplifying the radical, right? 6 comes out, 10 comes out. 6 times 10
6
comes
times
out
10.
and square root of 10. So
it's
your
60
answer is
times 10.
60 square root of 10.
That makes sense. Oh my god.
That's all. That's the answer. Makes
It-
sense. Okay. But
it looks
see,
so hard when you just give us the problem, then you and then you explain it. It looks so easy.
easy, right? Yeah, that's what. So drawing it. Good job, Saket, on the diagram and coming up with the answer. Several of you came up. Good job. Can I move on?
Auntie, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, please. I really want you to do more
Wait, where'd
problems.
you like time?
Let
Miss
me
Priya,
go.
where'd you
Yeah,
get the time?
I'll go back. I'll go back. Go ahead.
Oh, I made a addition mistake.
Oh no, mine was off by like multiplication. I did something wrong.
Viraj,
What did
where was your
I
mistake,
did something
Viraj? You had
wrong.
180, right? Yeah. Where was your
How
mistake?
did
My mistake.
what?
I just like I drew the diagram, but like after drawing the diagram, when I did like like the cable squared.
Oh, that was incorrect.
Yeah,
I
I was
see.
a bit confused on that.
That's okay. See, that's really okay. How about this? See, the questions are hard. When it comes to this, the main problem would be for all of you to draw the diagram. Okay. So no, I really want you. Let me give you a problem. Okay. Let me see whether you're able to find that.
Wait, I have a question. Why did we multiply 3,600 by 10?
Why did we multiply 3,600 by 10?
Miss Priya, can I explain this part?
Sure.
So, basically, 36,000 is the same thing as 3,600 times 10, because if you multiply a number by 10, you just add a 0 at the end. So they just split it up into two numbers, so they could factorize it from there.
Because then 3,600 squared is 60.
But then why did we use the 10 though? Why did we multiply?
Because 10 is, it's easier to work with like 10s, 100s, 1000s, and stuff like that. Like,
Parvata, did that answer your question?
It's just a number that adds a 0 to whatever it is, basically.
yeah.
I cannot bring the 10 outside because it does not have a pair. 5 2 does not have a pair, right? So I retain it inside. The rest of it has a pair, so I bring it outside. Make sense?
I see. Yeah.
Oh, you can do that even if it's not like fully factorized.
Yes, you can, Amma. All the while I was telling you to bring out prime factors, right?
Yeah, and then I was like splitting everything down into like the smallest numbers I could get it into.
Yeah, because it takes more work, right? Once you get used to things, you can bring them out. Got it?
Yeah.
You can, but I don't want to say that you can. You have to do prime factorization. Make sense?
Yeah.
Accessibility shortcuts.
Hey guys.
What?
No, accessibility shortcuts. No, I pressed on a different keyboard key. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this. This is a very nice question. Let me see whether you are able to do this. Okay. Okay, how about this, guys? This is an easy one, though. This is an easy one of the two hard problems that I wanted you to solve. Let me see. You're standing, okay? You're standing at some place. You move 6 units right, 8 units up.
Wait, Miss Priya, how do you send the answer to you? Like decimal?
Wait, do we send it to you in decimal form?
Please don't send it in decimal form. If you have the answer that is not an integer, send it in radical format.
What is the straight line distance?
It's the hypotenuse.
Oh, amazing. Thank you.
Is that correct?
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. Akshat,
What?
Akshat, did you understand the last answer, Akshat?
Yeah, I
30,000.
just messed up because I didn't simplify it.
No, you have to take square root without fail. That's what I wanted to tell you.
Yeah, I don't know how to use get the square root button though.
Did you understand now or not? Did you understand now or not?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, Akshat, if you have a MacBook, then you
I
can
have
you can do like, or like a big keyboard, you can do like Alt V. I mean Option V or Alt V.
I got it.
Option.
Guys, you're not getting the right answers at all.
Oh, amazing.
You're not getting the right answers. Arihan, did you get the answer?
I don't know.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Sarvata, correct, ma.
Oh, shoot. Never mind.
That's correct.
Wait, I made a
Charan,
super
correct.
silly mistake.
Is mine
Sorry.
correct? Is mine
Aviram,
My bad.
correct.
Can
Akshat,
I
correct.
explain it?
Yes, Sarvata, you
Miss
can
Priya,
definitely
can I-
explain, ma. 1 minute, wait, ma. Let the others as well try and then we'll go ahead and explain. Kabir, correct. Rihansh, correct. Vaibhav, correct. Okay, ma, go ahead and explain.
Did I
Okay.
get it right?
Devansh, I didn't get an answer from you, right, Devansh?
Miss Priya, you didn't check mine.
No, not really, Ria. Devansh, did you get it?
Yeah, I get it now.
Arihan, did you understand?
Yes.
Did you get the answer, Arihan?
I don't know.
Viraj, that is not the answer. Again and again, I'm saying you have to take the square root, right, Viraj? Did you forget?
Oh,
Oh yeah, I meant to type square root.
Yeah, square root of that. Good job. Arihan, did you get your answer?
Oh no, what happened?
Posted my answer.
I'm trying to type it in, but
Posted
it
your
keeps
answer. Let
clicking
me
all
see.
the wrong.
How did you get 900, Arihan? Can you explain first and then I'll let you.
I'm at 90.
How did you get it? Can you explain on the board?
Like some.
Yeah, then I'll let Sarvata explain it, her correct answer. Go ahead.
Okay, so I did the triangle. Wait, no. Did the triangles. Yeah, I did that. Is this Pythagorean theorem?
Yes, it is Pythagorean theorem. This is right. Whatever you've drawn is right. So what happened?
So you like square each and then add it?
Yeah, correct. Can you redo that in your local notebook and then send the answer to me, Arihan?
Yeah, I think you just had an adding mistake.
Oh.
Because you have the concept right.
Can you add and then send the answer to me? You are making a mistake with addition last time as well. Now, Sarvata, can you go ahead and explain, ma?
So what I did is since it doesn't say how many units were originally there, that means it's just so it was, since it says 6 units, right? That means the bottom line is 6 units, and then it means the top line is 8 units, and then it's looking for the hypotenuse. So then 6 squared is 36, and then 8 squared is 64. So that 100, and then so that means the answer is 10.
Miss Priya.
Good job. Yes.
I think I know what I did wrong.
Square root of 100.
I did 8. I did the square root of 8 is 48 because I saw 8 and 6.
Okay.
I did that first and then I put 48 as my answer and then I figured it out.
Oh, wow. Okay. Good, guys. Good job sharing. See, that way we won't make mistakes, the same mistakes, right? That's good to share. Nice. How about this? I'm going to give you a harder one. Let me see how many of you answer.
Let's go again.
Guys, if you really draw this problem, you're the first one to get it. If you don't draw it on a paper using proper coordinate plane, you cannot get this. Okay? Let me see how many of you get it correctly. It's a hard one. I did not explain how to do, but then let me see. You can get it based on whatever we have discussed. But you have to draw. If you just read and stare at the problem, you're not going to get it.
Wait.
When you draw it on paper, you'll get it. I promise. We are discussing Pythagorean theorem. We are discussing right triangles. We are discussing some distance problem. These are the clues. Rihanj, I was not getting answers from you. Did you get it?
Yeah, I sent an answer for the last one. And the one before that.
Wait. Let me quickly check. I'm at a... Rihan, did I check? Looks like I have already checked yours, but why? Wait, yes, thank
Does
you.
the distance mean like adding?
Distance means the distance, the direct distance.
Wait. So why is there 2 coordinates?
Wait, Miss Priya, would you like us to type our answer like 3, like how it says like X and Y, or would you like us to just add up like how much distance there is?
You cannot add the coordinates to find the distance, right, Amma? Okay, let's say I have a point here. Let's say I consider 1, 1 and 3, 3. I can't add this, right? Because it's a slant. You see, it's a slanted distance.
Yeah,
How do
but
I find it?
Rises and runs.
so like it's like so rise and then you go like and then run. So it's like 2 and then
Oh wait, Miss Priya, you just practically gave me the answer.
Yes, I gave you the answer, but I didn't
What
want
I'm asking-
everybody to see.
Oh, I got it now.
So
I
wait, Miss Priya, what I was
completely
asking was, you know how like you were saying like rise and then run, it's 2 and 2. Would you like
Yeah.
us to just do like 2 and 2 and 4 because it's like the total distance away?
Not really. You want me to give that away as well?
Miss Priya, I misclicked my answer.
My brain is
No
not brain.
problem. No problem. You can resend packing. 2 and 2 is fine. But after that,
Wait, which grid is the -2 on?
It's on
Which coordinate?
11, minus 2
Coordinate.
would be
11,
on, I think, the
the fourth coordinate. It's a fourth coordinate.
Okay.
3, 4 will be here.
Yeah.
So this distance is what I want.
Oh, I got
My
it.
brain is not brain.
Oh, like that.
Oh, never mind. I don't got it.
Yeah, I really don't got
That
it.
means I messed it up. Wait,
Oh,
am I
that's
correct?
fine. I
I
don't got
really
that.
don't get it.
You don't get it? Okay.
I don't get it.
11, minus 2.
Wait, I'm trying to solve it. Can you not give the
So I have a
answers?
question, Miss Priya.
Okay, I will not.
Wait, did I get it correct?
I don't know. Let me check, Amma. No, some are wanting this, some are not wanting this. I don't know. Wait,
Wait,
Amma.
did I
Wait,
get
Rian.
it?
Wait, Avi. 3,
Why are
4.
you not letting me type? Let me type.
So basically,
Is my keyboard turn off?
hey, Charan and that, sorry guys, because all your names were coming. That is why I had to go and say that I will have to remove you. Okay, only on stating that I was able to find. You see what I mean? So your names of logins were coming so many times. It was totally distracting, meaning somebody logged in using your names. So naturally, I'll think it's you, right? That's what happened. I'm sorry about it. Go ahead.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
can you check my answer? Because I don't really know if it's gonna be right, but if it's wrong, can you explain it?
Yes, absolutely. Somebody wanted me to check, right? I'll
Wait,
check as
can
well.
I explain it?
Sure, that.
Can you check if mine is right?
Yeah, I'll check right away, ma. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Yes, Rihansh, that's right. Oh, that nice. That's right. That's right. Kabir.
Miss Priya.
Kabir, what is that? What do you mean by 8,6? Kabir, that is not the answer, right? I know what you're doing, but you are just finding the legs of the right triangle, Kabir. The hypotenuse is what I want.
Oh, the hypotenuse. Oh, okay.
That does not
Akshat,
help
that's
me.
not correct, Amma.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Avi, that's not correct.
Miss Priya, could you not like explain for like a few minutes or something? Because I think
Sure. Charan, that's correct, but Charan or that wanted to explain.
I think that
Is my
Sarata correct, ma. Saket,
I got
what
it.
is the answer, ma? Saket, you have to simplify and then only send.
Oh, my bad.
I think
Miss
I
Priya,
It's okay, doesn't matter.
Did I
Send
get it
it,
right?
send it, I'm waiting. Hmm?
Did I get it right, Miss Priya?
It's in water.
I simplified. Is it correct now?
Could you check my answer, Miss Priya?
Yes, ma. Vian, correct, Vian. Kabir, correct. Kabir, good job.
That thing. I realized I
are
made
you
a
able to
mistake.
do? Devansh, I really need your answer this time.
Miss Priya,
I'm thinking about it.
Miss Priya, you gave it away when you said 8-6.
I know, right? Yeah, because Kabir's answer was 8,6.
Oh, great. Then I actually got the answer.
How about that? Go ahead and explain. You wanted to, right?
Yeah. It's kind of like the rise and run thingy. So, one second. So then, here it's like, wait, can I? Oh yeah, it's 6 because like, and actually here it's. Wait, well, okay, yeah. Actually, like it doesn't matter like you put each thing is because like you kind of do the same thing. So the difference with difference between these are 6, and then the difference between these are 8. So you put 8. So then this is just like the hypotenuse. So then 64 plus 36 is 100. So then the square root of that's 10.
Can I interrupt you that? Is this
Yeah.
correct? Is this 6?
No, that's not 6. That's 8.
I think I actually swapped
How do
it.
you get that?
Yeah, you swapped it. See, x coordinate. This is 3. This is 11. So the difference of 3 and 11, x coordinate difference, 3 and 11 difference is this, right? So this is 8. This
That's
is 4. The level is 4. The level here is -2. What is the distance? It's 6. Make sense?
Yeah.
How did
Good
you
job,
get
Doug.
the 8 again?
I think it's
You
by
want to explain that?
subtracting 11 and 3.
He's asked, yeah. Doug, do you want to
So
say?
you
How did you?
get 8 by oh,
11 minus 3.
Did you get it, Vaibhav? 11 minus 3 he did. 11 minus 3. X difference is this.
it's because 3 and 11 are both x values. So if you want to get the horizontal length for the triangle, you have to do the x minus the other x.
Yeah, I sort of get it.
Okay, Aradhya, what is your question, ma?
So for the x coordinates, if you're subtracting 11 and 3, you get 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if you subtract -2 to 4, you get -6. That's where I
Yes,
got confused with the 6 because I was like, isn't it negative?
that's okay. See, the distance is always, there's no negative, right? This is 4 units, this is 2 units. You got it?
And even if
Yeah.
it's negative,
But okay, to answer your question, Aradhya, very nicely to answer your question, right? This is the way you do, meaning x2 minus x1 the whole square. The difference of the x's is y2 minus y1 the whole square. So even if this is a -6, the way you found out is
Oh, I know
correct.
this one.
Because it is square, it disappears. Make
Oh,
sense?
yeah.
Okay, now to one more last question, guys. I know I'm taking more of your time, but because of those distractions, I really want to finish this Pythagorean theorem. I don't want to elongate. Okay, I'll give you challenging problems for your homework as well. 5, 8, 9. Is it a Pythagorean triplet?
No.
How will you verify that? How will you verify that? Okay, they will ask, hey, do these sides form a right triangle? How will you answer that question?
You add all of them up and see if they're equal. So 9 would be the
Hang on.
hypotenuse, and well 5 would be like, so 25 plus 64.
Guys, you will have to take the longer side,
Wrong.
square it, 81. That is c square. Is it equal to a square plus b square? You
No.
need to square it and check. 25 plus
not.
64, is it equal to 81? If it is equal, yes, they form a right triangle. If they are not equal,
They
then they are
don't.
not right. They cannot form a right triangle because they do not obey Pythagorean theorem. Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. This one
Good.
is
And
absolutely.
next week, as a part of extra knowledge, right? How to find, this is Pythagorean equation, Pythagorean equality, Pythagorean equality. This is Pythagorean equality, which helps you find whether the given sides form up a right triangle. Okay, for next week, I really want you to go Google and find out what is this Pythagorean. This is not a part of your school, okay? This they won't teach you till you come to geometry. I want you to find out what is Pythagorean inequality. How does it help in verifying whether it is acute or obtuse triangles? That is one extra homework. Let me see how many of you remember, find it and come. Pythagorean inequality, what is that? And how do you use the Pythagorean inequality to find the acute or an obtuse triangle? You are going to find and teach me. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the extra stuff. Okay, other than that, you will have homework on Pythagorean theorem. Okay, ma, any questions for me?
No, not really.
Sorry, guys, I took a lot of your time today.
Bye.
Okay, but very nice of you. Yeah, you just tolerated with the distractions. Bye. Have a nice week ahead, guys. See you all next week.
Can I show you
Who's going to
Alchemist?
present? Who's going to present?
Have a good day.
We already presented. I did it
I
at
was
the beginning.
going to
of the-
present.
That I know, ma. Who's going to present? I'm asking next
Me.
week.
Bye, Priya.
Avi, Viraj want to present. You
Can
guys,
I present as
Arihan,
well?
you want to present?
Can I present?
You decide, guys. Please. I don't have a
I thought
choice.
I
But
was supposed to present, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
suppose
I
that-
think Avi was the first person who asked.
Yeah.
no,
Yeah,
I'll
because
leave
I
it to
asked,
you
like-
guys. There is no choice. Every weekend somebody can present.
But
But let me
Avi can do it.
Can I present after Avi?
Sure. Viraj also wanted to present. You guys decide the order. I'm not in favor of anybody or against
I'll go
anyone.
next.
Also, can I show you my Alchemist?
Sure. I'll wait and see. Yes, Avi, you can present next week.
Okay, bye.
Send the PPT to me in advance.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you for teaching.
Aradhya, good job, Aradhya. Yes, ma. You want to show me, Vaibhav? Devansh, are you for?